1985 Chevy Monte Carlo SS, one of Tim's favorites that he's gonna get one day. Right there. Not the SS, but I prefer the SS.
I like the other one.
He likes the other one better. I like the SS. Anyways, 1985 Chevy Monte Carlo SS, all original, except they cut the cat off. I don't know who did it. We didn't touch it, so, and True dueled it, but it was way too quiet for him because it had factory mufflers on it. So he brought it to us and brought his own FLO Pros, right there, knockoff Flowmaster Super 10s. So we just welded them in for him right there. Two tailpipes out the back, factory, right there, or custom old, and then factory 3-inch tips, or whatever the car came with. I don't know what, I'm stuck on the word factory, guys, today. I don't know why, so just ignore it. So there it is. There's a Flowmaster knockoff Super 10s by FLO Pro. Really clean Monte Carlo though, if I could say myself. It's got a 305 in it, guys. Monte Carlo SS with a 305. There's this factory 2 mufflers that we took off, factory style, and replaced them with Super 10 knockoffs by FLO Pro. Anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. There it is. It's not bad. Yeah, that's good. That's not bad. Because it's and they drew to it too. Yeah, it's not bad at all. There's sound decibels. Go ahead and back it up. Got the 22s, I think. They look like 22s. FLO Pro Super 10s. Not bad at all. Let you guys hear on the inside. Monte Carlo SS with FLO Pro Flowmaster knockoff Super 10s in the middle. Fully true dual, no cats. That's what you guys wanted. We didn't delete the cats, so oh, look at that. It sounds good. So even if you go with a little bit cheaper muffler, they still sound good. You know, you don't always have to go with brand name. Very nice. I like it. Enjoy. There's the Durango next. Let's see if he gives us another drive off. We just did vibrant mids, X-pipe, rear delete, 5-inch tips. I love the look of these in a nice, sexy Hemi. So we'll give you guys 2 drive offs instead of 1 today. What do you guys think? Double header.